By 1944, the Blohm Voss BV 238 was the heaviest seaplane ever built and the ultimate giant among the Axis air forces, a true flying boat capable of withstanding Force 5 storms and crossing the Atlantic non-stop. Like its predecessor, the BV 222, the BV 238 originated from a request by Lufthansa for a civilian seaplane, later adapted for military use from 1941. Built entirely from metal, it featured a massive tubular steel spar that supported the wings and at the same time served as an armored fuel tank, giving it an extraordinary range of around 10,000 kilometers, enough to fly from Germany to Japan without stopping. In terms of size, very few aircraft could compete, among them the American Hughes H-4 Hercules and the Martin XPB-2M. Yet the BV 238 held a unique distinction. With its 100 tons at full load, it would have been the heaviest aircraft ever to fly. Compared to the earlier BV 222, it had a redesigned horizontal stabilizer, laterally repositioned floats, and a hull optimized for gliding on water. The lower fuselage was longer and more streamlined, featuring a main double step and smaller auxiliary steps to reduce drag and facilitate takeoff. Access to its gigantic interior was via a large forward hatch directly beneath the main cockpit. 6 powerful Daimler-Benz DB603 engines, 12-cylinder, inverted V, liquid-cooled, producing 1,750 horsepower each, drove the aircraft to a maximum speed of 355 kilometers per hour. In April 1944, the giant began flight trials over lakes near Hamburg, demonstrating remarkable performance. Plans were considered for use as a transport for submarines or along routes to Scandinavia, but Allied bombing of the factory halted any hope of production. The BV 238 remained hidden on the water for months, until August 1945, when 2 British Tempests fired upon it. Severely damaged, it began to take on water and sank to the lakebed. The Blohm Voss BV 238, bold in design, could have ushered in a new era for air transport and maritime operations. However, with the war drawing to a close for Germany, production beyond the prototype became impossible. Despite successful trials and the extraordinary capabilities it demonstrated, it remains today a symbol of the unfulfilled dream to build the largest seaplane of its time.